Hello everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. Today we are going to learn how you can add the pages to your navigation menu. First you go to the dashboard. We have a dashboard here, and then under the appearance click menus, and then if there is no already menu created, you can just create a menu. Just name it to main menu and just click create menu, and then after that from the right view all, you can see all the pages you have in your website, and then you can just select the pages you want to appear in your menu. And I'll just click add to menu here. You can also just reorder and arrange using the drag and drop option, how they can appear on your website in the front end. And also the next part is the location. We have to decide the location for this menu. So I'm creating a header menu. So display location, I'm setting it to header, and then just click save menu. So I have created this menu. So I'll just quickly let you see. Previously my header menu is not set, and now after I have after I have displayed this location header, I can just see my header menu is set. So this is how you can just create a navigation menu on your website. One of the things I also want to mention here, I have selected a theme which is a general theme like a Hello Elementor, but with a default block theme, you will not see this menu. In the default theme, you will have an option editor, and inside the editor, you will see the navigation menu part from where you can edit the menu. But generally, for most of the website, people choose a different theme, want to and they want to edit their menu from this way. So that is why I have created this way. So I hope you understand how you can easily add the pages to your navigation menu and in your header or maybe footer. We'll meet in next video. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe.